Hello, I'm glad to welcome you on behalf of the Traders Union, the largest union of Forex traders in the world. Today, we will consider the best cryptocurrency exchanges.
In this video, we'll speak about BitMart cryptocurrency exchange. The BitMart exchange is an international cryptocurrency trading platform. It has Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Ripple, Dash, EOS, Hex, as well as dozens of other cryptocurrencies and tokens, and the pool of instruments is constantly being expanded. There are no fiat currencies on the exchange. They offer two interfaces, simplified and advanced for spot trading. The first will be the most interesting for beginners. The second one is for experienced users. Advantages of trading with BitMart: a large selection of cryptocurrencies and tokens for trading. In addition to spot trading, there is futures trading. Futures trading is possible with leverage up to X100. Passive income through investing in loans, easy-to-use smartphone application. Disadvantages of BitMart: no demo accounts, no fiat currencies. Technical support doesn't have a call center. Commissions and fees. The default commission for the taker-maker is 0.25%. It can be reduced by increasing the trading level. There are 8 trading levels that are calculated every month. The commission of 0.25% corresponds to a 0 level. At the 8th level, the commission is 0.075% for the taker-maker. BitMart customers' reviews. 2 weeks waiting for confirmation of verification. They say they process information, and without it, I have no way to withdraw tokens from the exchange. Recently, in general, every once in a while they get in touch. I am very angry. My feedback on the BitMart exchange will be positive. Before registering here, I studied the history of the exchange as well as user reviews. The exchange is relatively young, although all crypto exchanges have appeared only recently. The safety factor is important for me because on many exchanges, clients have lost their funds due to hacking. But I have not heard that there are similar problems with BitMart. BitMart offers virtual cryptocurrency trading. This is noticeable right away when you try to open orders. You set the price higher, the trading bot sets the price lower, and so on. Trading bots are the real clients of BitMart. They increase volumes and help drain client deposits.
To learn more about best cryptocurrency exchanges, follow the link under the video and read the information on our webpage. If you're already on it, you'll find a lot of interesting and useful information that did not fit into this short video. Good luck.